Hello. This is one of the project that I did for quant trading or trading, I call it. So one of the example here is I created a system wherein alerts from TradingView could be traded to MetaTrader 5 and also to NinjaTrader. So let's see an example. For example, this one is the Black Pika. So Black Pika is an indicator, as you can see here. Once it issue a buy, it will be sending it over. So as you can see, there's the black pika buy here. And then I have created a JSON message and it was sent over to my built-in webhook, which I exposed via ngrok. So that's how it works. So that's an example. And then I have another version for the NinjaTrader. So the NinjaTrader, as you can see, it's using the futures and expiry. Also have the action, and you could also incorporate the volume. Could also incorporate the SLNTP. So for example, this one. So this one is gold. As you can see here, you could specify the TP and the SL for this one. So as you can see, this one have already generated a lot of alerts. So for example, the last one is long gold. So it's here. It will detect for the total positions, and if it's a reversal position, so for example, the action is buy, it will check the total position. If there is the sell position, it will close that one and replace with a buy. So as you can see, this one was executed here, the XAU USD. On the other hand, you could see here an NT8 command here, and this one was executed and it's executed as a sell. As you can see, it's a sell. Here's the TP, and the red one above is the stop loss. So this one is one of the example setup, and this is how you can see it's trading. This one is a simulation account, and it's all done via uh, TradingView. So this is an example of my works for trade automation using API integration, webhooks, and such. Thank you.